A very cheerful good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Infant Jesus School News Desk. We are here to bring you all the exciting updates and happenings from a truly vibrant one, April.
So let's dive right in. April kick-started with a bang. On 1st April, we had an inspiring teachers orientation program led by none other than Reverend Father Maria Arukyadas SDB, Director of Don Bosco Ashalyam, New Delhi. It was an energetic session that charged up our teachers for an amazing academic year ahead.
Then on 2nd April, we came together for a staff meeting. A warm welcome was given to our new teachers who officially became a part of the IJS family. And guess what? Our coordinators were introduced by our beloved Father Martin, setting the perfect tone for the new session.
And the excitement didn't stop there. On 3rd April, we had a grand inauguration of the new academic session.
The event, hosted gracefully by Miss Akansha Devrani, started off with a prayer service by our teachers, followed by the ceremonial lighting of the lamp by our manager, principal, assistant manager, vice principal, coordinator, and our school leader.
Motivational messages were delivered by our manager and principal, inspiring all of us. New teachers were proudly introduced to the students, and Miss Deepa Chauhan, our activity in charge, announced an exciting lineup of Wednesday activities.
Then, on 6th April, the school took a break to celebrate the festival of Ram Navami. We hope everybody enjoyed the day filled with devotion and happiness.
Moving on to 7th April, we marked World Health Day with a powerful message. Ms. Simi Sunil delivered an impactful speech, reminding us all that health is truly is wealth.
On 10th April, we observed a holiday for Mahavir Jayanti, a day of peace and enlightenment for many of us.
Next up, on 14th April, we paid tributes to the great leader, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, on his Jayanti, day to remember his incredible contribution.
And then, from 18th April to 20th April, we observed the Holy Week holidays, giving us a chance for prayer, reflection, and time with family and loved ones.
Back to school with lots of energy, and it was time for Earth Day. On 22nd April, we celebrated it with an amazing assembly and a poster making competition on the theme Water Conservation, reminding us how precious every drop is.
The same day, our principal, Reverend Father Milton George, proudly distributed the Olympiad medals and certificates to our brilliant achievers. What a moment of pride for IJS.
The creative buzz continued on 23rd April with fun-filled inter-class competitions. Classes 1st to 5th unleashed their creativity through a drawing competition, while students from classes 6 to 12 showcased their talent in the on-the-spot painting competition.
On 25th April, our students raised awareness for World Malaria Day through a special assembly led by class 12 students and guided by Miss Simi.
On 26th April, the school remained closed as a mark of respect and mourning on the day of Pope Francis' funeral, a solemn day of remembrance and prayer for a great spiritual leader.
Then, on 28th April, we joined hands in observing the World Autism Awareness Day. Class 12C conducted a heartfelt assembly and Miss Winnie Matthew shared a thoughtful message. All the staff members wore blue attire to show their support and solidarity. What a beautiful gesture of inclusion and love!
On 29th April, a heartfelt farewell was organized for Miss Sheelu Jose, who has been a pillar of Infant Jesus School since its very beginning. Her years of dedicated service were honored in the presence of our Reverend Father Martin, the manager, who shared touching words of gratitude.
And the goodbyes continued on 30th April during the special assembly with our students. We bid farewell not just to Miss Sheelu Jose but to Sister Amal Rose. Token of gratitude represented to both of them as a mark of respect, love, and dedication for all they have done.
Wow, what a month it has been! Full of learning, celebrations, emotions, and memories to cherish.
This is your Infant Jesus School News Desk signing off for now.
Stay curious
Stay creative and keep shining bright.
See you next month with more exciting stories.